Is Make worth it? Well, here's my honest review. The world of automation is moving faster than ever. If you've spent any time looking for ways to scale your business or reclaim your time, you've likely bumped into Make.com. But with the rise of AI agents, shifting pricing models, and massive updates to the platform, the big question is Make still worth it? Or has it become too complex for its own good? Well, in this video, we'll be stripping back the marketing fluff. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plan fits your needs and whether you should make the shift from competitors like Zapier. Also, if you want to try Make yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get 1 month free and start automating your workflows and business tasks easily. Now, when you first log into Make.com, the interface might look like a digital playground. Instead of the rigid linear if this and that list you see in other tools, Make uses a visual canvas. This is where you build scenarios. Think of a scenario as a living map of your business process. You start with a trigger, which is the event that kicks everything off. This could be a new lead in your CRM and even an AI-monitored email. From there, you drag and drop modules. These are the individual apps you want to connect. Now, what makes Make.com special is the Make AI Agent app. This isn't just a basic integration. It's a dedicated system where you can build agents that follow complex instructions, use MCP toolboxes, and even interact with your workflows autonomously. The core of the experience is the scenario builder. It's incredibly fast, and with the latest Make Grid update, you now have real-time collaboration with visible cursors. If you're working with a team, you can literally see your partner moving models and connecting nodes in real time, which is a game changer for complex builds. Now, to understand if Make is worth it, you have to look at the tools that distinguish it from the easy automation apps, routers and logic. Now, in Make, you don't just go from point A to point B. You use routers to split your data into different paths. For example, if a customer spent over $500, send them to a VIP Slack channel. If they spend less, just add them to the email list. The if, else, and merge feature. This is a huge update. Previously, if you split your logic with a router, it stayed split. Now you can use the merge function to build those parts back into a single workflow later on. This saves you from having duplicate modules and keeps your canvas clean. Error handling. Most automation tools just break and send you an angry email when something goes wrong. Make gives you error handlers. You can tell the system, if this step fails, wait 5 minutes and try again. Or if this fails, ignore and move to the next step. This creates self-healing automations that don't require constant babysitting. Data stores. This is essentially a built-in database. You can store information inside Make itself without needing an external Google Sheet or Airtable. This makes your scenarios run significantly faster and more securely. Scenario recovery. Now, we've all been there. You're building a massive workflow, the browser crashes, and it's gone. The new scenario recovery tool lets you retrieve unsaved changes, ensuring your hard work isn't lost to a technical glitch. In recent times, Make moved away from operations and introduced credits. This is the single most important thing to understand before you put in your credit card. And just as a quick reminder, if you're ready to dive into these features, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to get 1 month of a paid plan for free. It's the best way to test the high-end features without any risk. Now, under the old system, 1 module run equaled 1 operation. In the new credit-based system, usage is more granular. Standard tasks still generally cost 1 credit per operation, but AI-powered tasks or high-complexity modules might consume more credits based on execution time or data processed. Now, when we're talking about the pricing, we'd like to start with the free plan. The free plan does provide you with 1,000 credits per month, and when it comes to the limit, you get 2 active scenarios and a 15-minute execution interval. Well, what's our verdict? It's great for learning the ropes and testing simple triggers, but the 2 scenario limit will hit you very quickly. And then you have the core plan at $9 per month. This gives you 10,000 credits per month. Its features range in unlimited active scenarios, 1-minute execution intervals, and access to the Make API. Our verdict? Well, this is the sweet spot for solopreneurs. It unlocks the full power of the platform and allows for real-time webhooks. And then you have the Pro plan at $16 per month. This provides you with 10,000 credits, which of course are scalable, and has features ranging from priority scenario execution and full text execution log search. For our verdict, if you're running business critical tasks where every second counts, the priority execution ensures your automations aren't queued during peak platform traffic. Moving higher up, the Teams plan at $29 per month. It features team roles, permissions, and shared templates. For our verdict, it's essential if you have multiple people building and managing workflows. And then we have the custom enterprise plan. It features SSO, advanced security, and 24/7 support. What's our verdict? For high volume corporations that need overage protection to ensure their business doesn't stop if they suddenly burn through their credits. Now starting with the pros, you have visual clarity. Being able to see your data move through a bubble map makes troubleshooting more easier than looking at a list of steps. Unmatched flexibility. You can manipulate data in ways that other platforms simply can't. If you can think of the logic, you can build it in Make. Price to power ratio. Now, when you look at the sheer volume of tasks you can run for $10, Make it significantly more affordable for complex multi-step workflows than its competitors. Then, cutting-edge AI. The integration of GPT 5.4, Claude 4.6, and Gemini directly into the modules makes building AI-driven businesses incredibly seamless. On the downside, with the cons, of course, you have the learning curve. It's not plug and play. You will likely spend your first few hours watching tutorials or reading documentation. And then you have credit management. You have to be careful. A poorly designed loop can burn through 10,000 credits in minutes. You need to learn how to optimize your scenarios to save money and support speed. While the community is amazing, the official support response times can sometimes be slower than what you'd find on a more expensive premium platform. So, is Make better than Zapier? If you want simplicity and you only need to connect app A to app B, Zapier is arguably faster to set up. Zapier also has a larger library of apps. However, Zapier gets exponentially more expensive as you add steps. A 10-step workflow in Zapier might cost you a fortune. In Make, that same 10-step workflow is just a few bubbles on your screen and is covered easily by the core plan. So go ahead and choose Make if you're a builder. If you enjoy the process of optimizing and creating sophisticated systems, Make is a super tool. But go ahead and choose the competitors if you're willing to pay a premium price for a slightly more hand-holding experience. So, is Make.com worth it? The answer is a resounding yes, but with a caveat. If you're a business owner, a freelancer, or a creator who needs to automate complex tasks without hiring a full-time developer, Make is arguably the most powerful tool in your tech stack. It bridges the gap between simple automation and a full-scale software development. With the current additions of AI agents, MCP servers, and the merge functionality, it has cemented itself as the platform for the next generation of automated businesses. However, if you aren't willing to spend an afternoon learning how iterators and aggregators work, you might find it frustrating. Make is a powerful tool. It requires a bit of practice to handle safely, but once you master it, you can build things that were impossible a few years ago. So here's our recommendation. Start with the core plan. It gives you the unlimited scenarios freedom you need to experiment without the high costs of the enterprise tiers. So if you want to jump in and start building your first scenario today, don't forget to use the link in the description below to get 1 month of a paid plan for free. It's a great way to explore the pro features and see the power of Make for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.